Good morning, my dear parents. Kindly make your words to listen the online classes. Good morning, kids. Before going to today's session, shall we complete the circle time? Come. So today is Monday. Today is Monday. Where is Monday? Here. Rotate it. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Date is 22. Date is 22. Month is February. Month is February. It's time to recall the phonics. So shall we start? Come. What's the first sound? S. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. S. S. Snake is in the grass. Next sound. A. 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 And samayam. A. A. And samayam. A. A. And samayam. They are causing me alarm. Next sound. T. T. When I watch the tennis game. T. 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 When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. Next sound. E. E. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink on the bed. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Next sound. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Next sound. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Next sound. K. 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 Kicking k. So shall we start? We are clicking castanets. K. 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 We are clicking castanets. K. 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 We are clicking castanets. K. 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 Next sound. A. A. Eggs in the pan. A. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Next sound. I like to hop up and down. I like to hop all around. I like to hop up and down with. Next sound. Rrr. See my puppy with the rack. Rrr. Rrr. See my puppy with the rack when he pulls so hard. Next sound. The mum and the dad make many meals. The mum and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. Next sound. D. D. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da 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 da. See me play upon my drum. Next sound. G. G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a g. Next sound. Oh. Oh. Now which dark the lights go on. Oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. Next sound. Abgombalas. Abgombalas. When it starts to rain. Next sound. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. we lick a lollipops. Next sound. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold, the air came out. Foo, 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 foo. Sing along with me, do the action. What's the next sound? B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Next sound. A. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say? Next sound. J. J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J, 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 jam. Next sound. O. O. Did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? Next sound. I. I. The captain said I. The captain said I. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said I. And the last sound, what is the sound? E-O. E-O. Shall we sing? Do the action along with me. See the donkey in its stall. E-O, E-O is its call. Next sound. Zzz. Zzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? A bee buzz. A bee buzz. Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz. Like this. Next sound. Wa. Wa. Sing along with me. I see the clouds moving. Wa wa wa. I see the kites flying. Wa wa wa. I see the trees bending. Wa wa wa. The wind is blowing strong. Next sound. Look at the card. Next sound. Ing. Ing. Sing along with me. If you're strong and you know it, say ing. If you're strong and you know it, say ing. If you're strong and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you're strong and you know it, say ing. Very good. Next sound. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Next sound. Ooh. Ooh. Sing along with me. Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh. Next sound. Yeah. Yeah. Sing with action. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. Very good. We recalled all the sounds what we have learned. Shall we learn a new sound? Come. Today our new sound is x. X. Listen carefully. X. X. What's the sound? X. Look at the card. What's the sound? X. X. Listen carefully. What's the sound? X. X. The action for the sound x is imagine your hands like X-ray camera. Pretend like taking X-ray using X-ray camera. X. X. Do along with me. X. Shall we sing the song? Sing along with me. X. Take an X-ray. Sing again. X. X. Take an X-ray. X. X. Take an X-ray. X. X. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Sing again. X-ray of my hand. Once again. X. X. Take an X-ray. X. X. Take an X-ray. X. X. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. Shall we learn from the book? Come. Look here. What's the sound? X. X. What's the sound? X. Look at the picture. What is this? X-ray. 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 Look here. What is this? Box. 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 Fox. 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 6. 6. 6. Exit. 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 Shall we trace now? Join these two fingers to trace. So what's the sound? X. Say again. What's the sound? X. Once again. X. Very good. Sing along with me. What's the sound? X. 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 Take an X-ray. X. X. Take an X-ray. X. X. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. It's time for sight words. Shall we recall the words what we have learned? Come. I. Was. To. The. Do. He. Me. We. She. Be. So. No. Mine. You. Your. Come. Sun. Said. They. Here. They. Want. Because. Other. Any. Many. Who. Why. Which. Before. More. Where. Where. To. For. Does. Goes. Should. Could. Would. Made. Right. Saw. There. Put. We are going to do an activity based on pink words. Shall we do it? Come. It's time for activity. Do you remember this apparatus? What is the name? Magnetic letters. What is the name? Magnetic letters. And look here. What is this? Magnetic board. What is this? Magnetic board. So we are going to do an activity based on pink letter sight words. So shall we start? Look here. So first I am going to take If we join D, we'll get does. What is this? Does. Does. Repeat again. What is this? Does. If we join G instead of does, we'll get goes. 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 Once again. Does. Goes. Repeat me. Does. Goes. Shall we move to the next one? I'm going to take D. If we join curly K to this, we'll get could. 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 Now I'm going to join W. W to this, we'll get would. Would. wood. And if we join to this, we'll get should. 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 So once again, could. Could. Would. Would. Should. Should. It's time for writing. Today we are going to recall the small letters and capital letters. Shall we recall it? Come. Right. After B. B after. Say and write neatly. K. What k? Curly k. Curly k. K after D. D. D after A. A. A after. Say and write. After G. G. Say and write. G. G after H after E. E. E after J. J. J after K. What is the K? Kicking K. Kicking K. K after L after. Think and say L after. Very good. Say and write. After. After. O. O after P. P after Qu. Qu after R after after T. T after 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 W. W after after Y. Y after Z. Slanting line, slanting line. In the middle, sleeping line. A. Standing line, lifter curve, lifter curve. B. B after K. Righter curve. K. K after D. Standing line, lifter curve. D. D after A. Standing line. At the top, one sleeping line. In the middle, one sleeping line. And at the bottom, one sleeping line. A. A after standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line. After righter curve, sleeping line, standing line. G. G after H. Standing line, in the middle, sleeping line. after E. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. E. E after J. Sleeping line, standing line, K. J. J after K. Kicking K. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line. K after U. Standing line, sleeping line. Standing line, slanting line, slanting line, standing line. Standing line, slanting line, standing line. After O. Righter curve, lefter curve. O. Standing line, lefter curve. P. Righter curve, lefter curve, slanting line. Qu. Standing line, lefter curve, slanting line. R. Righter curve, lefter curve. S. Sleeping line, standing line. T. Standing line, curve, standing line. Slanting line, slanting line. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. V. Slanting line, slanting line. X. Slanting line, slanting line. Y. Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Z. It's time for book activity. What is the name of the activity? Rhyming words. Name and tick the pictures that rhyme with the first picture. Look here. They have given some pictures. We want to find the picture that rhyme with the given picture. So look here. What's the picture? Fan. 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 Next picture. Man. Man. Does it rhyme? Yes. So tick it. Next picture. Can. Can. Does it rhyme? Yes. So tick it. Move to the next one. Lip. Lip. Does it rhyme? No. So leave it. And the second one. Cat. What's the picture? Cat. Look at the first one. Crib. Crib. Does it rhyme? No. Next one. Mat. Does it rhyme? Yes. So tick it. Next one. Bat. Does it rhyme? Yes. Tick it. Next one. Tin. Tin. What's the first one? Pin. Does it rhyme? Yes. Tick it. Next one. Bin. Bin. Does it rhyme? Yes. Tick it. Next picture. Log. Does it rhyme? No. So leave it. Next one. Bug. Bug. Here. Jug. Jug. Does it rhyme? Yes. Tick it. Next picture. Top. Top. Does it rhyme? No. Next picture. Mug. Mug. Does it rhyme? Yes. So tick it. Next one. Bag. Bag. What's the first one? Tag. Does it rhyme? Yes. Tick it. Next one. Can. Does it rhyme? No. So leave it. Next picture. Top. Does it rhyme? No. So leave it. Next one. Dog. Dog. What's the first one? Hot box. Hot box. Does it rhyme? No. Move to the next one. Net. Net. Does it rhyme? No. The last one. Log. Log. Does it rhyme? Yes. Tick it. Next one. Top. 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 What's the first one? Mop. Mop. Does it rhyme? Yes. Next one. Hat. Hat. Does it rhyme? No. Move to the next one. Dog. Dog. Does it rhyme? No. And the last picture. Sun. Sun. What's the first one? Frog. Does it rhyme? No. Move to the next one. Axe. Axe. Does it rhyme? No. Last one. Bun. Bun. Does it rhyme? Yes. Tick it. Very good. Time to end of the session. Today we learned a lot and we did an interesting activity. Please practice at home. We will meet in the next session. Until then, it's bye from Venu.